Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your Amazon Prime free subscription when you take a connection of Airtel Extreme Fiber or any other Airtel internet. So generally this subscription for Amazon Prime is free for 1 year if you take these connections, and let me show you how you can claim it. So first of all, you need to download this Airtel Thanks app. Most probably if you have Airtel connection, you might already have this app. If you don't have this app, you need to download this Airtel Thanks app and then register in this Airtel Thanks app with your mobile number or your email ID. Okay, so once this Airtel Thanks app is open, on the top you will be able to see all your subscriptions. So I have this Airtel Extreme connection, and here when I click on the Airtel Extreme connection, I can see these options. When I click on the My Plan option, I can see what are the services which are active, and I can see what services I can claim, and you can see Amazon Prime is active right now, so I can claim it. So if you see active here, that means you can claim Amazon Prime subscription. So for claiming it, just go back and once again go back to the main page, and this time you need to just press this option which is on the top, which is your profile picture on the top, right? So once you click on the profile picture, you will be able to see your account details. Here you need to click on Thanks Benefits option, and under this Thanks Benefit options, you can see I can claim this Amazon Prime for 1 year. I can also claim mobile edition for 30 days. So right now I want to claim this Amazon Prime for 1 year. So you can see this claim now button. So I will press this claim now. And once I press this claim now button, on the bottom I can see a proceed button in the blue, right? So just press on proceed button, which is in the blue color, which is going to load some data, and it's going to redirect me to the Amazon website, right? So here I can create a new account, and if you already have a Amazon account, you can log in with your Amazon account here. Okay, so if you don't have Amazon account, you can just press on this option which says create account, and you just need to give your basic information and your account will be created. Because I already have an account, I will press this option which is for the sign in, and I will provide my email ID here, and then I need to provide my password. And once the sign in was successful, I am the member of Amazon Prime now. So you can see welcome to Prime, and I can just stream the shows, and I can also listen to the Amazon Prime music, right? Now once this is done, you will get a message, you can see on the top. So once that's done, I will get a message from Amazon which says your 1 year Amazon subscription has been activated at no extra cost with Airtel Thanks. Subscription auto renews at $9.99 per year. So once my subscription is enabled, or I have claimed my subscription, I can download the Amazon Prime app on my Android phone or any other phone. I have already downloaded this app. You can download this app using Play Store. So you just need to open the Play Store and then just search for Amazon Prime here, which is going to show you this Amazon Prime app. And once you have installed this app, you just need to log in with your credentials, and then you can watch all the shows on your Android or on your other device. So this is how you can claim your Amazon Prime subscription for 1 year using Airtel Internet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.